Hi everyone, it's Judy here at River City Sewing, bringing you this week's video news. Well, this week it's still all about the list and the array of classes that are coming through for 2025 here at River City Sewing. Now, if they're filling, people are starting to they're starting to book ahead. So if you haven't had a chance to download a copy of the list, why don't you go to our website, to our classes tab, and download a copy there. Now there will be some, like we said, there will be some changes as we go through. There might be a few little tweaks and a few little extra things coming soon. They'll happen after our launch. But look, no matter what kind of sewing you wanted to do for 2025, no matter if you've got a stash you've got to use, you want to make a stash, you want to do something different with your sewing this year, then why not? Take a look at the list. There is certainly something for everyone in that particular list. Now, some of the classes have been quite popular. People have been starting to book themselves in for those, and some are starting to book out. Just persevere. There's quite a few different classes in there, and if you're not quite sure, please just give us a call here at the store and we might be able to direct you into the right class for what you're looking to do. All right, so the list, you've got all of our lists for 2025. There's a few still for the long armors coming, and there's a couple of other little patchwork projects that we're looking to put in as we go through 2025. So, but look, there's something for everyone, like I said. It's loads of interesting classes in there, loads of workshops. I mean, we've got Pauline coming in from Pauline Quilters World. Thank you for everyone who started to book in for the trunk show. I've had to fix that little tweak on the website. So if you've had a little bit of a problem either booking in for the launch or you're booking in for events, then please go right ahead and do that. The launch bookings, I've tweaked that yesterday, so now they've got individual days. So please go ahead, book yourself in and join us for our launch. The launch is going to be great. It's going to give you a preview in the flesh of some of the things that we're going to be doing in store. Plus, it's almost like our show in store. Like it's a show in store every day here because of the amount of machines we have, the amount of product we have. It's growing, and we are trying to give you a little bit of a taste and an overview and demos of the range of product that we have in store during our launch week. So whilst we talk on the video and whilst we talk about different things and you come in and have a look around, there's probably a lot of things you haven't seen that we actually have here at the store. So there's really each hour during our launch, 3-day launch, each hour there'll be something else going on. Okay, there'll be a demo that I'll be giving, or there'll be visitors or a special guest here presenting with us. So if you haven't booked yourself in for launch, come on, book yourself in. If you're not quite sure if you can make it, that's fine. Just come on in and have a look around. There'll be lots of stuff we have on display. There's our demos are all up in our upstairs event room. So there'll be lots of things happening down here in the store as well. So please mark that on your calendar. It's not that far away. November. February 19, 20 and 21. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay? So they're going to be a lot of fun. It'll give us a chance to showcase some of those items that we have here in store. So it'll be a wonderful 3 days of fun. And hopefully it'll be inspiration for everyone. You'll be able to come and have a look at some of the samples that we have and talk to all of our team here about what's happening in the store. And, you know, I'll be doing demonstrations and things like that to show you just the amount of, not stuff, but information and products and all that kind of stuff that we have here at the store. So come in and take a look. We're going to have some special offers as well. So, and on Friday night when we wrap it all up, we're doing a series of prize draws and pizza. So what else could you have on a Friday night is prize draws and pizza at the end of that 3-day launch. So that will be a lot of fun too. So have a look at the launch. Some things went out in social media. It was in the newsletter last week, and it's going to be in the newsletter this week until we run up to the launch. So it's well worth coming and have a look. Think of it as a show in store. This is, you know, we're fortunate that we have so many brands here, so much product. We have a lot of the, you know, different pattern makers patterns here. Like, there's a stack. If you haven't had a look at our pattern wall, I'm going to turn the camera around a little bit. Okay, so all that wall is patterns and patterns and patterns. Okay, so if you are looking for some kind of inspiration for your next project, or you want to have a look at books, if you're a book person, I've got stacks because I'm a book person too. If you're just looking to be inspired for doing something creative in 2025, you want to use some of your stash, then that's great. We've got lots of classes that help you get focused and give you ideas. If you're not quite sure where to start, well, our sit and sew classes are going to be great, because, you know, if you need a little bit of help to get your mojo on and have a look around in the store and find a pattern and use some of that stash, well, those sit and sew classes are there just for that reason. So there's no excuse this year, guys. We put so many classes in here for you that, you know, if you've been asking about a class, it's in there. If you've been asking about like things like scan and cut, EQ8, all of those, it's in there. You just have to have a look online, or come in and see us and we'll book you in for those particular ones. Okay, so use it or lose it. That's our motto for this year. If those classes that, you know, we've put all the classes on and any that aren't all that popular, or they may not be in our calendar next year. So if you're looking to improve your skills with scan and cut, improve your skills with EQ8, or don't know what the hell that is, then maybe come in and have a look at the demo that I'm going to do here at the store. There's going to be sessions with scan and cut during the year, so there's going to be quite a bit of that. And if you've got a scan and cut and never taken it out of the box, or you've taken it out of the box but then you put it back in the box and haven't used it since, then we need to see you in store as well and having a look at those scan and cut classes. But lots of things happening, lots of things going on. So we hope to keep you busy in 2025 with all of those fun things. So the other thing I wanted to mention today is those of you who've been looking at the wonderful Q16 Plus and the electric lift table. The Q16 on the foldable table special ends this week, okay? Ends on the 31st. However, you've been given a reprieve because Bernina have announced that they're doing a special in February for the Q20, okay? And there's a few other little specials to do there with the electric lift, okay? So the Q16 Plus and the Q20 on the electric lift is on sale. So if you are in the market for a new Bernina Q series, come and see us. However, also those of you who've been looking and waiting for the 770 and 790 to come on sale, on Saturday we'll be beginning our February specials for these two items. All right, so they're both on sale. Those specials won't go up until the 1st, but if you're in the market for a new machine and you want to get a great deal, especially on the 790 Pro, then come in and see us. You come in and see us now, we can put a deposit and order it after the 1st of February for you, but it's an amazing deal. So you'll see some of those come in the email, all right? But I can't put them on my website until the 1st. But if you're interested in a new machine and you've been thinking about the 790 Pro or the 770, then now's the time. Come in and see us and we can put a deposit in, get that February special and get you organised. So it's well worth. This February special is great because not only do you get dollars off, but there is a little bonus that you can choose to go with it. Lots of fun, right? Come in and see us and we'll show you all about that particular thing. Now there's new pricing coming through for a lot of the brands. We're just about to click over out of our January pricing into February pricing. Still waiting on a few of those to come through, but we know that some of these pricings will increase due to the way the dollar is at the moment. It's nuts. So, you know, if you have been thinking about a machine, if you've come in and seen us and you're still not quite sure, why not come and have a chat to us? you know, we are happy to help you, especially if you were thinking of kickstarting your 2025 with, you know, new machine. Get yourself set up properly. You know, your machine's not doing what it normally does, or you know, you want to upgrade into something that makes it a little bit easier and a lot more fun to sew. Come in and see us now. All right, we'll give you a great deal. We're going to have some special offers on for the launch, but I know what they are already. So if you are wanting to look at a machine, come in and see us. All right, come in and see me, and you know, you won't pay any extra. You won't pay any more between now and launch. Okay, so we've got to keep something secret from you. But if you come into the store, we'll be able to do our best offer that we can, that we're heading for launch week. But we'll always try to find you the right machine for what you want to do. And that's important because you're going to have that machine for a long time, right? And sometimes research with, you know, YouTubes and reviews and all those kinds of things can be a little bit confusing. And that's why we're here. We're here to help you find the right machine for the type of product, type of projects that you want to do, and set you up so that you have the best setup for you for your creative 2025. So that being said, there is lots to see. We've got new product coming in all the time, which is really good. We've got a few new things coming. We've got our OESD stabilizers in now, and we've been doing a clearance on some of our Inspira and Kimberbell stabilizers here. You've only got a few days left because, well, it's only tomorrow left to pick up a 30% off deal on any of our Inspira and Kimberbell stabilizers in stock. So ends on the 31st, so you better hop to it and come over and have a look. There's quite a few here. That special offer is going to end on the 31st, which is tomorrow. Okay, so get in before 5 tomorrow. Oh, sorry, 4:30 tomorrow, and snap up that deal. If you're an embroiderer or you love your Kimberbell stabilizers, why not do a bit of a top up on those? So just a reminder that our classes have already started, and this week, well, this morning, you'll probably miss that one this morning when this video goes out, is our patchwork and quilting class. Tomorrow, Friday the 31st, is our UFO session. So if you need some focus, they're really good for that. Need some focus, you want to do a project, but you know, it's nice and cool in here. We've got the aircon running. We'll have Debbie and Sophia and I running in and out of that classroom at different times, but there won't be a teacher permanently in that class, but you get an extra, you get a bit of, you know, if you need some help, we're there to help you. But that is, sit and sew is a great way just to have a little bit of focus, and you know, sometimes you need to get out of the house to sew and concentrate and need a little bit of help when you need it. That's what the sit and sew sessions are all about. Saturday we've got stitcherers this month, and it's stabilizers, guys. So all of you have been asking about doing the stabilizer class for stitcherers again. You need to book yourself in because that's what's happening this Saturday. And after stitcherers is on, we've got our stitch out. Okay, so if you want to attend both, that's great. If not, stitch out's going to happen at around 11 o'clock right through to the afternoon. We're going to have a whole fun afternoon of stitching out here. You can do embroidery, you can do sewing, you can do whatever you like. Just don't, dressmaking's not really my forte in that particular class, because obviously Debbie is here to do all your other dressmaking items. But if you've got a sewing project, if you've got a patchwork project, or if you've got a embroidery project, then stitch out is for you. And we go right through, after we close, right through to about 3:30, all right? So if you haven't booked yourself in and you think you'd like a nice fun afternoon of sewing, then come on in, all right? It's going to be a great afternoon of fun. I'll be playing with the 990 in that classroom so as we get ready for our 990 retreat. So that'll be a lot of fun too. So all you Benina owners out there, don't forget, we've got our B990 retreat coming up really soon. So have a look at that class list and have a look and see. There's, like we said, if there's a class, some of them are very popular because they've been booking out, including our dressmaking class on Tuesday night. It's been amazing because everyone is so popular. Demi has got some sold out classes there, so you know, just book ahead. Come into our sit and sews if you need some extra time. So there's always an alternative to those particular classes. So jump on in, have a look at that the website, and download the list and see what you can do for 2025. So until next week, thanks for watching. Don't forget all you long armers out there who are looking to have a service this year. Please, can you let us know if you haven't had a service in the last couple of years and you would like Merino to come out and look at and do a service on your machines. Please email me at hello@rivercitysewing.com.au so that we can get you on the list for that. Okay, so some of the areas he's going to go to very, very soon. So please, if you're thinking about it, just put yourself on the list. He can then contact you and let you know when that's going to be, but it just helps me to have that email that I can just, he's got a record of you, your address, your machine, and if there's any little niggles or things that you want him to look at, please put that in the email. So don't forget, you know, there's some areas that he's going to go to early this year, and he won't go back until those areas until next year. So if you were thinking about it, don't leave it too late. Just make sure that you flick me an email at hello@rivercitysewing.com.au. Just say, hi Jude, I'd like to have my long arm service. Give us the details of your machine, those kind of things. You know, what kind of machine, whether it's a computerized Statler or a Pro Stitcher or a Q-Matic, or if it's a hand guided machine. Just all details of your machine, where you are, and your contact, and the best contact phone number for Merino to call you on, and that way we can get you on that particular list so that you can get a service done this year as he does his rounds around Australia. Okay, thanks for watching. We look forward to seeing you in store again next week, and if there's anything you saw in the video that you need some more information on, please don't hesitate to give us a call. So from Judy and all the team, thanks for watching. Look forward to seeing you in store soon, and from all of us, till next time, bye for now.